guys, what's up? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be sponsored by LUVWIN Hair and it says make beauty easier. This velvet bag, y'all, is like what? It's beautiful. This is a vacation bag, okay? You can put anything in here. Today's video is going to be on a 13 by 4 honey blonde highlight wavy human bob wig. Okay, so it's a 13 by 4 frontal wig, y'all, and I'm gonna tell you, the lace melts right on in. It is so beautiful, really close and personal. Look at this, really beautiful. 100% virgin human hair. The knots are bleached for you all, that way you don't have to bleach them. If you want to pluck it, you can, but it's pre-plucked. I didn't do anything, y'all. I just went on and just put this on and kept it moving. The lace is so invisible. It's so thin that it's like really you cannot even tell. I've never had a wig like this. Let me just say that. I've never had a wig where the lace blends right in seamlessly and it's really nice and thin. So I showed you the construction of the wig. The construction of the wig definitely has the 4 combs. It has the elastic band. And it has like a shapewear type of rubber grip in the back, y'all. What? Like, really, it's beautiful. The density of this wig is 180%, and it is like really nice. Really nice. And it's lightweight though. It's really lightweight. It has 4 combs, like I said. And the lace is awesome. It's just so awesome. I put it down with the Ebin Wonder Glue, y'all. That's all I put it down with. I don't want a whole lot of thick lace. I'm trying to steer away from lace glue. So I wanted this to be like a glueless type wig, and it's really a glueless type wig. I could have just went on and just put a little bit of the lace spray right here and kept it moving because it's not going anywhere. This wig is not going anywhere. The grippers that they have in here is really nice. I really love this wig. The curling was super easy to be able to curl it. It's nice and active length. Like it's nice active length, you know. If you want something that's just nice and active length. I love the color. The color is just so beautiful on me. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed my install. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. My intro was pretty long, y'all, but you know, I'm going to make the outro really short. Now, what you can do is look down in the description box, and I will have down LUVWIN Hair, the wig that I have on. And they have other wigs, guys, other wigs that you can be able to get your hands on. So I will have all the links. I will have a coupon code down in the description box for you all. That way that you can be able to go to their website and check out something that you may want for yourself. And I'm telling you, this is a glueless wig. Really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Thank you so much, LUVWIN, for sending me out this wig. I really appreciate it. It is like really nice. Summertime friendly, y'all. Summertime friendly. You know, we don't want all that hair everywhere. But anyway, so I will go ahead on and link everything you need down in the description bar. If you have any questions, just please let me know in the comment section, and I will be sure to answer them. Anything else I'm missing? I think that's all I'm missing. Check LUVWIN Hair out, y'all, and you will not regret it. Okay, so you all know, like I say, J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.